Buddy, my name's Antonio, and today on my YouTube channel, Peter beats up Kyle. Now here's the little YouTube, well, whatever. No, it's not YouTube. It's actually on Netflix.
Hey there, are you Kyle's parents?
Yes, can we help you?
Yeah, I'm Peter Griffin. Listen, apparently your son got into a little scrape with my kid.
Oh dear, they're not getting along?
Like an old guy and a midget.
Sir, will you please stop staring at me?
Where's the rest of you? So listen, Chris is pretty upset about what happened. Would you mind if I had a word with your son?
Not at all. He's up in his room.
Hey there, Kyle. Hey, I'm Chris Griffin's father.
Hey, I'm Chris Griffin's father.
Now, that's not very nice. I don't sound like that at all. You're making me sound like Michael Stipe. Listen, I just want you to know what you did the other day was wrong.
What you did the other day was wrong.
You're not making this easy, Kyle.
You're not making this easy, Kyle. My name's Peter Griffin. I'm a big, fat, dumb buttface.
Shut up, Kyle.
I'm Peter Griffin. I'm a dorky, fat numbnuts.
Kyle, I said shut up.
You're a poot nose. Ow, ow,